And next up is your operating agreement. This is the document that lays out how your LLC actually works. Stuff like who owns what percentage, how profits get split, and what happens if somebody wants to leave the business later on. It doesn't get filed with the state, it just stays in your own records. Most states don't actually require one, but banks will often ask for it. And it's part of how you keep your business separate from you personally. So it's worth having one. So you've got two options here. The first option is to get your operating agreement from Taylor Brands. They're able to write one up for you based on your business. And same as the last screen, if you're already on a paid plan, this comes included. If you're not, then choosing this would be an upcharge. Or you can click on I'll figure it out myself, and then just grab a free template online. Now, if you're the only owner and your setup is simple, a template is honestly fine. But if you have business partners or a more complicated business structure, I'd honestly recommend just letting Taylor Brands handle this for you. So whenever you're ready to set up your own LLC, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link at the top of the description. That's going to get you the lowest pricing available. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more clear guides just like this. Congrats on taking the first step towards starting your business, and I'll see you in the next video.